Anthropic says its newest AI model named Claude Mythos Preview is too powerful and dangerous to be released to public.
You got to hide your kids, hide your Raspberry Pis, because they're taking everybody out here.
Capabilities in a model like this could do harm if in the wrong hands. And so we won't be releasing this model widely.
In these trying times, wouldn't you like to feel a little empowered to do something about it? It's called SurrealDB. You can have all of this data and you can look for anomalies, you can look for just all kind of things and help figure things out. Because in these trying times where there are models that can do kind of crazy stuff with all this data, we need to start figuring out what's going on. Hey guys, it's day 46 of 100 on OpenClaw. And if you don't know, there's a really scary thing out there called Mythos.
It has the ability to chain together vulnerabilities. So what this means is you find two vulnerabilities, either of which doesn't really get you very much independently. But this model is able to create exploits out of 3, 4, sometimes 5 vulnerabilities that in sequence give you some kind of very sophisticated end outcome.
And they are giving major companies a chance, a head start in actually using it to defend against it, because it broke out of its own sandbox that they put it in, and it also is able to discover hacks that have never been discovered before. In these trying times, wouldn't you like to feel a little empowered to do something about it? Well, yesterday I talked a little bit about SurrealDB. SurrealDB is a really cool database system that is like a vector database matched with a SQL database matched with all kind of things. So you can upload big files to it and then you can query it by working between AI and it. So I created a project. Actually, I didn't create it. My OpenClaw created this GitHub repo. It's open source. It's called SurrealDB. So you can load whatever open router model you want to into this system at the top. Then you simply create a cache. These are like bundles of files, like you get files from just various places or whatnot, and you can just drop them all in. But you can upload really large data sets completely on your local computer, and you can then use Surreal on your local computer. Because I got a lot of questions yesterday about oh, I have to pay for Surreal, I have to do all this. No, you don't. You don't have to do that. So you can install the command line tool on your computer, and you can run the Node.js application locally. And then once you do that, it checks them all like PDF, Word doc, just text files, things, and it does the conversion for you. And then it starts. Then you click create/refresh index. So this is where SurrealDB comes in, and it will do your indexing for you. Once you've done your indexing, you then can just ask questions. You basically can select Surreal Search Only or Surreal plus AI. So you click Surreal plus AI, and then Surreal will find all of the relevant chunks. Your AI will format your query in the appropriate way, and you have a status of how everything goes down. The larger, the longer it takes. You can have all of this data and you can look for anomalies, you can look for just all kind of things and help figure things out. Because in these trying times where there are models that can do kind of crazy stuff with all this data, we need to start figuring out what's going on. It's been a great day, 46 of 100 here on OpenClaw. Thanks for watching.